Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study the civics of Class 6 Rural Administration. Resolving land dispute. The main occupation of the people living in village in India is agriculture. Since agriculture is primarily a land-based activity, disputes relating to land are common in villages. Let us read the following story to understand how land disputes occur and the mechanism in place to resolve them. Sridham is a poor farmer who has a small plot of land that has been in their family for generations. Sridham cultivates potato on this land. One day, the Jamindar came to Sridham farm and claimed that the plot of land belonged to him. Sridham was shocked. The Jamindar said, "Your grandfather had taken this land on lease from my father for a period of 50 years. That lease ended last month." Siddham stammered, "But sir, how can that be? This land has been with my family for generations." The Jamindar raised his voice. "Are you calling me a liar? Come to my house tomorrow. My lawyer will show you all the papers. You have 2 days to clear the land." He warned Sridham on he left, or else my men will come and take away the land forcefully. The Jamindar was a powerful man and Sridham was too scared to contest his claim. He could not sleep that night. His plot of land was small, but he had managed to feed his family and educate his children with his earning from the land. If the Jamindar take away my land, how will I feed my family? How will I send Semi to college? Sensing his worry, his wife suggested he go to the police station. When Sridham arrived at the police station, the SHO patiently heard him out. "I will look into the matter. Don't worry, you have no need to fear the Jamindars. Our constitution guarantees equality to all citizens." But before we can do anything, you need to file a written complaint. "Do you have the patta for your land?" "No, madam, I don't." "Go to the office of the patwari. He has all the land record for the village. He will have the patta for your land too." Sidam went to the office of the patwari. The patwari brought out the record pertaining to his plot of land. The land record clearly stated that the land belonged to Sridham and had been with his family for over 70 years. The Jamindar could claim no part of it. Sridham procured a copy of the patta and went back to the SHO. She registered a case against the Jamindar based on Sridham's complaint. In this way, the patta, a valuable piece of written evidence, helped Sridham retain his land. Thus, the SHO and the Patwari play a vital role in solving land dispute in rural area and providing justice.